and the YouTube company and all apps of Google company. Kindly collaborate with YouTube Studio app. And I want to tell you that there is like there's like vlogger who are claiming copyright to my videos that I'm doing. Kindly search this vlogger, Sir Ma'am in the YouTube company. He or she is dismaying me always. I sing Bon Jovi song, he claim copyright. I sing Alan Jackson, he claim copyright. I sing some songs of Fred Aguilar, he claim copyright. What kind of person is this? This is a vlogger. As you can see, I am doing my hardship to sing and playing my guitar before you. What? I'm just borrowing songs of singer. Studiante Blues, another style of voice. I hope you like this guy.
Sunod, ala nyo man pakinggan, sasaktan ang damdamin. Ako'y walang kalayaan, sunod sa utos lamang. Galing sa eskwela, diretso na lang ba? Wala lang akong abutan. Walalo ang sinanay, walalo ang sitad, tulong naghihintay. Pagtawag ng barkada, sa kaulay sasama, lagot na naman paglagan. Dapat na natira, ako'y pagalit, kung alam gagawin, di walang kalayaan. Sa utos lamang. Ako ang nakikita, ako ang nasisisi, ako ang lagi may kasalanan. Pagising sa umaga, sermon ang almusal, bago pumasok sa eskwela. Kapag na nagwira, ako'y pangagalit, kung alam ang gagawin. Ako'y sunod-sunod, alayo man lang pakinggan, sasaktan ang damdamin. Ako'y walang kalayaan, sa utos lamang. Ako ang nakikita, o ang nasisisi, o ang laging may kasalanan.
Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. And I'm not afraid to tell you that Jesus Christ, my God, no more lawless. Bye guys, I love you all. Mwah. Choo choo.